Hey, howdy, hey, y'all. Welcome to another edition of What's on the Porch. And today, when I got home from work, I had my BoxyCharm Premium waiting for me. I'm super excited to see what's in it because I've seen some posts about boxes that were, did they say mediocre? Maybe. I don't know. But let's get into my box and see what we got. Obviously, this is the February Valentine's edition. It says, "Be my Glamantine." And I'll see if I can remember. I just got home and sat down and opened the box up, so I didn't check my email to see what I picked. I'm hoping that I remember what I picked. We'll see. The first item in my box is this Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette, which I did choose this palette. I already have it. I got it when it was on sale. I believe at Sephora. So I am going to gift this palette to a friend of mine. It is a beautiful, beautiful palette. Look at how pretty those colors are. And I have not yet used my palette, I don't think. I'm trying to remember. I don't think I have. And I'm not going to use this palette today in this video. I want to dedicate a whole video to this palette because it is just absolutely gorgeous. I love those colors. The packaging is really nice. It has a mirror in the top of it. This is not a new palette. This palette has been around for a while, but it is a gorgeous palette. It retails for $67, and I think when I got it on sale, I don't remember how much I picked it up for. $27 or $34, something like that. 18 eyeshadows in 4 ready-to-layer textures, 9 buttery matte, 6 high shine creamy metallics, 1 glitter, 2 sheer multi-reflective shadows. So we will definitely do a whole video based on this palette and do a look with it, and I'm super excited to do that. The next item is this Dime Eyelash Boost Serum, and I believe that I chose this. It seems like the choices for February were not all that great. I have used a couple of eyelash serums, and to be honest, they burned my eyes. I don't know if I put on too much. I'm still trying to use them. They work really well as far as making your eyelashes grow. Of course, you don't just put it on, your eyelashes grow, and then you quit using it. You're going to have to use it forever to keep your eyelashes long. But I thought I would try this and see if this maybe does not burn like the other ones do. This is Dime Beauty. It says, grow your own naturally full and beautifully long eyelashes with the help of this best-selling Eyelash Boost Serum. Improve length, density, and strength of hair and overall follicle health with the proprietary blend of amino acids and peptides. And it retails for $44, which I would never pay $44 for an eyelash serum. The eyelash serum that I have been using that works, it works. It did absolutely make my eyelashes grow and get thicker. I picked up on Amazon, and it was not that expensive, and it has really good reviews on Amazon. Once I continue to play around with that one a little bit more, I will do a video about it, but you can get, if you're really interested in trying out an eyelash serum, you can get some for a lot cheaper than $44. The packaging is very nice. It's heavy. And it has a nice, fine little brush on it. So I will definitely be giving that a try and let y'all know how that performed for me. Oh, this is cold because literally just pulled it off the porch. This is Christopher Robin Instant Volumizing Leave-In Mist with Rose Water, Uplifted Roots, and Fuller Links. This retails for $39. And I don't remember whether I chose this or not. It makes thin, fine, or flat hair feel thicker and full of body while delivering an easy-to-style hold. Using a delicate rose blend infused formula with baobab leaf extract and oligo elements from seawater, this mist helps enhance hair's texture and provides a lift at the roots for a long-lasting, volumizing look. And I know a lot of people don't like the smell of rose, and this has a very, very strong rose fragrance to it. Rose does not bother me, so I love Christopher Robin products, and my hair is very fine, so I'm looking forward to trying this to see how that does. The next item I have is this Moonlit Primed for the Night Eyeshadow Primer. This retails for $18. And it says that it's an eyeshadow primer with a sheer natural tint and a silky lightweight formula that prevents creasing so it doesn't interfere with your favorite colors. Get primed for the night and enjoy vibrant, lasting color wherever your adventures lead. And my favorite eye primer is the MAC Painterly Paint Pot. I have tried several other primers that were, they were okay. The packaging is really pretty. I love the packaging. And there's what the wand looks like. Has a little bit of a chemical smell to it. So, but I will try that as well and see if I like that any better or just as well as I do my MAC Painterly Paint Pot. The packaging is super cute. I love that. Did I tell you that retails for $18? I believe that I did. And that is a new launch. And here's something funny. It says that the Christopher Robin products, or maybe this product, is new. It says new brand to Boxy. And I have gotten Christopher Robin products in Boxy, so I don't know why they're saying that that's new. And then we have this Vike Beauty Makeup Melt. It is a gentle oil-free makeup remover spray with skincare actives. Clean and nourish. This retails for $24, and it says it has skincare benefits, and it has 4 key antioxidants to nourish your skin after removal, leaving your skin bright, clean, and renewed. No wipes or pads needed. No wipes or pads needed. How are you supposed to remove the makeup from your face? Simply spray. And Makeup Melt will remove your makeup, giving you a spa-like experience at home. This brand as well, it says, is new to Boxy, and this retails for $24. But you would still have to take a pad or a wipe or something to wipe your makeup off. That just seems a little odd. It's in a spray bottle. Let's see what it smells like. It has a fresh smell to it, so that's cool. I love my micellar water, so we'll see what I think about that. And then the last item in my box is going to make me be a badass. This is Uoma Beauty, and this is a lip liner. Shape and fill your lips to add definition and structure with these highly pigmented, silky smooth lip liners Designed to be worn with your favorite lipstick shade, and they retail for $16. And this is in the shade Angelou, which is there on the end. I'm playing with my lights, y'all, and it seems that I need the brighter light so that y'all can see me, but it's washing out the products. It says, right there in those little bitty letters, it says a badass is the opposite of a dumbass. I would agree with that. That's a very pretty color. It is a true pencil. It's not one of those plastic pencils. And so let's try it out, shall we? I do have a little bit of chapstick on my lips because my lips are dry. It's nice and creamy. I can never get my lips even. Never. I'm just going to fill in the whole look. Why not? The whole lip, not look. That is nice and creamy. That's a nice nude color. I like it. I'm like, do I not know where the lines of my lips are? I mean, why can't I get these even? Because we are all perfectly imperfect. That's why. That's very nice. I really like that. That's a very cool tone. It's really pretty. A lot of times I like to just wear my lip liner. Just like this. I put this on, I go out the door and go to work. So that's really nice. It feels very comfortable. It does not feel dry. You know, sometimes lip liners can feel a little drying on the lips, but that feels really good. Of course, I do have on my chapstick, my Chaga chapstick. Oh my gosh, this stuff is the bomb. I love this stuff so much that I went back and ordered 5 more because, you know, bedroom chapstick, pocket chapstick, pocketbook chapstick, car chapstick, office chapstick, beauty room chapstick, kitchen chapstick, you know, chapstick everywhere. So my February BoxyCharm comes to $208. And just to put it in perspective, because a lot of people wonder whether or not BoxyCharm is worth it, and of course you have to base it on whether or not the products that you get in your box are valuable to you. Some products are not. But they make great gifts. You always are looking for something to gift to somebody. So to put it in perspective, in November, when they talked about raising the price, I signed up for an entire year so that I could lock in that $35 a month price. So the total that I paid for a year was $420. This is my 4th box, and so far the value of all 4 boxes comes to $845. So I have already gotten back the money that I spent for the year, and everything else that I get from here on out is just icing on the cake. So I love my BoxyCharm boxes. I know that sometimes I get things that I'm not excited about. I was not excited about the choices for this month, but I still got a lot of good products. So in my very humble opinion, I think that BoxyCharm is definitely worth the money, whether you do BoxyCharm base box or BoxyCharm Premium, which is what I have. I will leave the link down below in case you're interested in checking out BoxyCharm. You can do so. And I think that I got a good box. I'm excited to try some of the products in there. I'm really excited about that hair mist, to see what that does for my fine hair, and to see if the eyelash boosting serum burns my eyes. So stay tuned to find out about all of those things. If you enjoyed my video and found some value in it, give me a thumbs up. It really does help out my channel, and it sure would make my day And as always, I would like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age. Find something to be grateful for today, pull your makeup out and play with it, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye. Christopher, you know your mama pretty well. Can you believe that I'm excited about a Mercury retrograde? Because a lot of people don't know about Mercury retrograde. But you know and I know Mercury retrograde is bad juju. But not this. This is a good Mercury retrograde, okay? So if you want to love Mercury retrograde right along with your mama, then you go out and get one of these. And then that way you can do a nice Mercury retrograde, I'm going fishing look. Okay? And send Mama some pictures. Mama loves you, boo.